5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go! One went off. WGBR. Oh, there you go. I can tell that's EAS songs. WGBR went off. This failed.
To provide the public with important emergency information should the need arise. Until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the North Carolina Emergency Alert System. Air quality forecast for windstorms. Storm Sandy is in white or clear yellow. Air quality is a concern for people who are usually sensitive to air pollution, with the primary to provide the public with important emergency information should the need arise.
TV never went off.
This concludes the statewide tornado drill and test of the North Carolina.
They went silent. Right, WPLW went silent for some reason. Oh yeah, they never went off for some reason. I don't know why. They never went off. Oh, WPLW's having issues. That's nice. Oh, let's cut these off. But yeah, TV never went off.
Today is 87, which occurred in This is a test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System. This is only a test. This test is being conducted in conjunction with the North Carolina Tornado Drill. This drill is conducted annually to allow schools, businesses, emergency managers, and the public to exercise their tornado safety procedures. This practice tornado drill will remain in effect until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. There will be no follow-up statements issued. Schools and businesses participating in the tornado drill should exercise their severe weather safety plans now. This test also serves as the Emergency Alert System required monthly test for March. Broadcasters, in cooperation with local, state, and national authorities, have developed this system to provide the public with important emergency information should the need arise. This concludes the statewide tornado drill and test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System.